10759 Linden Avenue North. Date is November 2nd, 2022. Making this recording from the newly installed 4-inch diameter Schedule 40 PVC cleanout here on the south side of the home. Looking at the Seattle City main there, we're going to come back from this point and get a look at the line, or some of the liner and some of the repair work Bob Oates did on this line. Coming back from the main almost immediately into our 6-inch diameter new club here and plate pipe liner. 4-inch by 6-inch diameter shifting liner that was installed. Right now we're in the 6-inch diameter portion off the property. Right there, we're coming back into the 4-inch diameter section. We're going from 6 there back to 4. Now back on property in the 4-inch diameter section. Next landmark is going to be a connection point where we excavated right here. We dug up the section, replaced it with PVC. Looks like a connection on the left side of the screen. Come back into our liner again here. We come back towards the cleanout. Come back through the PVC that was part of the excavation here on the south side of the home. And that cleanout. There is that cleanout that I'm making this recording from, ending the video there.